Hello students of third class. Today we are going to start activities, right? That is on a page number 47 and 48. In your terms there are activity 4, 5 and 6 in your syllabus. So students, here activity 4, what he said, study each situation and decide what did you do. Also explain why you have taken such a decisions, right? So students, in activity 4 there are two diagrams, that is one is this and second one is this. So in the first one a person gave a chocolate to a girl. So in that situation what we have to do? So here are you are very much fond of chocolate. One evening you are returning from the school and a stranger give to a chocolate. Now see students, if a stranger give a chocolate or anything for eating, can we take it from there? Can we take? No, never. We should not take anything, any material or any candies, chocolates or anything from strangers, because it is harmful for us. It make a problem for us, right? This is the first type of situations in your activity, that we do not need to take anything from other persons which we don't know. Okay, that person who are strangers, we did not need to take anything, right? Now in a second situation, what we have, see a student or a child studied, right? But in these situations what the author said, it's your study time, your parents have gone out and you are alone at home. Your friends are going to the park to play and they request you to join them. So what do you do at that time? When your parents are not at home, okay, and it is your study time, but your friends are going to going to a park for playing any game. So what do you do at that time? So at that time we firstly prefer to our study, we firstly complete our homework and then we move with our friends if we have a time, okay. Playing is also necessary, but study is more necessary for your futures and anything. Right? Now see, there are activity 5. In activity 5, there are 1, 2 and 3 pictures, right? So they, how we have to observe these 5 pictures, these 3 pictures, and and find how they are related to our safety. So see, first figure, what first figure indicate that a man or a woman, a person you can say, he move on a zebra line. So always move on a you can say footpath, not move in between a road like this, okay. You always move in the side of road or on a footpath. First pictures indicates. Now see, in a second picture a boy running with a boy drive there by cycle. Now see, he wear a helmet here, he wear gloves, so we have to put a helmet while driving our motorcycle or our Activas or our cycle, right? So that if there is any accident, so we can save our life. Now third one is a person has tie their car belt, okay. That is also be related to safety rules, because if immediately brake is there, then we are going to upward due to motions, right? So it may be cause of our injury. So we must be tie the belt when we are sitting in the car, okay. So these are 3 safety rules in your book. Now in activity 6, answer the question, do you know how much important you to give a cleanliness. So we know that there is a COVID-19 and we wash our hands again and again. Why? Because our hand should be clean, or it has any type of germs, so we remove that with the soap or water. So there are some topics, some questions, some headings are given to related to your cleanness. So first one is I try to keep my body clean. So what is this? This is a good, or this is a, he said he give 3 columns, that is always, sometime and never. So first one is I try to keep my body clean. So its answer is always. I keep my nails short. I keep my nails short. So that is always, sometime and never. It's a always. Okay, I try to keep my room clean. So it is a good habit. If our room is clean, then we can sit and relax there. If there is so much dirt, then we cannot stand even here, right? So I try to keep my room clean. It is also be a always. I try to keep my bathroom clean, always, sometime or never. We always clean our bathroom. Okay. I try to fill the table manners. So always follow the table manners, that when we are going for a lunch or dinner or breakfast, we should have wash your hands, and we choose the foods, and we take a towel near to clean our hands. These are some table rules. Okay, and I also keep my surrounding clean. So your surrounding must be clean, then you are be healthy. If your surrounding is not clean, then you become ill or sick. Okay, so always keep our surrounding clean. With this, your 3 activities are complete. So students, try to solve and read it properly for your exams purpose. So complete. Your homework is complete activity 6 on notebook, and 4 or 5 also do on note. With this, your activities are complete. Thank you and have a nice day.